Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome to Anlex TV, where flavor meets soul. My name is Andy B, and in today's video, we have two things going on. Let's get excited because we got a huge seafood bowl. We have crab legs, green mussels, black mussels, shrimp, broccoli, corn, eggs, mushrooms galore, okay? Italian herb seasoning with white wine. We got garlic, bay leaf, thyme, cilantro. I wish I had bought some parsley. I don't know what happened to that. Rosemary. So it's gonna be light, it's gonna be aromatic, and of course I'm gonna include some Scotch bonnet because I like a little spice in my seafood boil. So it's gonna be a absolutely delicious, loaded, huge seafood boil. And then the second thing we have going on, we have a giveaway going on. We got a giveaway going on. We got calm down, relax. Let's get excited for this giveaway. We're giving back to those who have supported Anlex TV. We thank every single one of you. So this giveaway will be a raffle. The first name chosen will be third place, $10 win. Second name chosen will be second place for the $15 win. And then the last one chosen will be first place winner for $25. So that's how we're going to go about this. Let's have fun. It's going to be a fun time. I love a good seafood boil, and I love giving back to those who are giving to me. All right, so grab a seat at the table, because around here, we go beyond the plate. All right, so let's get started on our white wine herb seafood boil sauce, right? You're gonna add some butter to a pot on medium heat and let that start to come to a boil. Boom. Some of it, not boil, melt. What am I talking about? Let it melt, okay? Then you're gonna go ahead and add some sliced onions. And I added a lot of onions. Because when I'm eating mussels, I like to, dip my mussels. I like to put the onions on top of the seafood and eat it. So I added a lot of onions. I think 2 whole large onions I added. All right, let the onions do its thing for a few minutes. While that is doing its thing, let's get some broccoli and mushrooms together. And all you're gonna do is add a little bit of oil and salt and black pepper. Yeah. And then I added some of this seasoning salt, the complete seasoning. I absolutely love this seasoning. It tastes very good. Then you're just gonna mix that well so that all the seasoning and the oil is on all the broccoli and mushrooms. And then we're gonna pop this in the air fryer. I love making vegetables. I love the air fryer period. You can make so many things in the air fryer, and it's easy cleanup, especially if you line the air fryer with parchment paper. You don't have to do that, but I prefer to do that for most things that I put in the air fryer. Okay, boom, bada boom. All right, that's gonna go on there on 400 for about 10 minutes or so. Just check on it, okay? And then this is the sausage that I'm using. And I'm just showing you guys how I'm prepping the sausage. This is also gonna go in the air fryer. So I'm cutting this into 4 pieces, and then I'm just making little cuts on the sausage without completely cutting it all the way through. And I like doing that with the sausage because then it gives me cute little segments that I could just break away and eat with my seafood boil. And then back to the onions that we have just sweating out in butter. I'm adding some Scotch bonnet pepper and garlic, and then going to give that a good mix. All right, and then lo and behold, some nonsense is about to happen. While I'm here trying to make greatness, while I'm here trying to get this seafood boil all the way together, the power goes completely out. I can't cook. We have an electric stove, so I have to put my food back in the fridge. I have to, but to God be the glory. I know it's gonna work out. It's gonna work out, be able to finish this food. And yeah, the power went out. We'll get back to the cooking once the power comes back on, and I hope that is soon, because your girl is hungry. All right, power came back on after about 3 hours. So back to the cooking. All right, go ahead and saute your onions, garlic, hot pepper. And then we're gonna add some cooking wine. I added 1.5 bottles of cooking wine. The smell, you can first of all, I love sauteed onions and garlic. How that smells, it smells absolutely amazing. And then when you add the wine, you want to cook off the alcohol. So let that go ahead and do its thing for a little bit. In a pot, you're going to fill with water, add some salt and lemon juice. And this is where we're going to boil our seafood. That's how I like to make it. So I have all the names for everyone who joined in on this giveaway in this hat. Okay? I'm going to give us a good mix. Close my eyes. And remember, the first name chosen is the person who gets $10 rewarded to them. Okay. These parts I won't fast forward or skip it. Jadia, woo! Jadia, that's my girl right there. She will be awarded $10. Be sure to give me your Cash App or Zelle in the comment section, or you can email me at anjbartley@gmail.com. Okay, so we'll do the next round in a later time. Make sure you stay tuned with the girl. All right, let's get back to this food. Again, congratulations to Jadia for winning third place and winning $10. All right, so we're back to this food. We're adding some lemon juice, some crushed red pepper flakes, and then I'm adding all these herbs that have thyme, bay leaf, and cilantro. This is one of the best seafood boils I've ever made. All right, so we're adding some rosemary leaves. We're adding this new seasoning I bought, umami mushroom seasoning. We're adding some Italian seasoning. It has parsley in it, thank goodness. I also added seasoning salt and black pepper. All right, so now I'm adding my snow crab legs into the boiling water. And now we're going to take out our vegetables. Look how good this broccoli and mushroom looks. Yum. So good, okay? All right, now we're adding in our green mussels. And you're just going to add in the seafood. Whatever takes the longest to cook, you add that first. And then you end with what takes the least amount of time to cook. So first I added my snow crab. Leave that in there for a few minutes. Then I added my mussels. And then lastly, the shrimp. And then here I'm just removing the snow crab because it has cooked long enough. Once the shrimp is pink, everything is coming out. See the sausage? That's why I like to cut it, because then you could just break off a segment and eat that easily. I don't know why I like that, but I do. Nice brown sausage. I love my sausage brown. Ooh, I'm hot. Okay. So now we're going to do second place. So third place is Jadia. Hey, girl. All right, so now we're going to do second place. Chantel Jane, you win $15. Woo! Chantel Jane, you win $15. Okay, so again, let me know your Cash App or your Zelle down in the comment section, or email again anjbartley@gmail.com. Congratulations to Jadia, third place, you wins $10. Congratulations to Chantel Jane, you win $15. And then last but not least, we're going to do the first place winner once we have our beautiful seafood boil with Italian herbs, white wine, and just once we have that platter set up, we will choose the first place winner. Stay tuned. Yeah, so exciting. Congratulations to Chantel Jane for winning second place and winning $15. All right, so our seafood is all cooked and we're removing that. And now we're going to set up our beautiful platter. I love doing this. I love setting up the food so that it looks appetizing. So you know what I want y'all to do, right? And be sure to W Chantel Jane and W Jadia in the comments below. I want you to let me know once you see the completed platter. Would you order this? If you're a seafood lover, would you order this if you went to a restaurant? If you saw this coming out for another table, would you be like, oh man, I'm getting that next time? Let me know down in the comment section below. Everything tasted amazing. The white wine added such a delicious taste to this meal. It was light. It wasn't a heavy seafood boil, and it was just scrumptious. It really was. The flavor was on point. It really was. And there we have it. It's complete. It looks amazing. I do wish I had my corn. So sad that I left it in the supermarket, but it's all good. Yum. Just look at that. Isn't she pretty? Beautiful platter. Beautiful platter. Beautiful. Let me know, what are your favorite things to have in a seafood boil? Let me know down below. Okay, I am so excited. Oh, I also made some toast with Italian bread to go with the Italian white wine and herb seafood boil. Mwah. It came out absolutely amazing. You know, I gotta taste the food while it's being made. And of course, my son came down here, Mom, what's that smell? So I gave him some shrimp. He demolished it so fast. But y'all, look how beautiful this platter is. I want to pick it up because I'm one of the clumsy people. But look at that. Italian white wine and herb seafood wine is huge, okay? Huge. All right, so now it is time to choose the first place winner. But let's taste this a little bit. I want a little bite of this bread. Simple. I added a little butter, garlic powder, and a little complete seasoning, and a little of that mushroom seasoning that I bought. It tastes really good, actually. Get a bite with a little mussel on there. Very nice. The white wine, excuse me, it adds a very nice refined taste, so it doesn't taste heavy. You know, a lot of seafood boils taste heavy. I ain't hating on it, but I wanted a nice, lighter, but flavorful seafood boil. Yum. Okay, what do I want next? There's so much stuff in here. Let's have a shrimp. And I like my shell on with my shrimp. With my shrimp. This flavor is amazing. Oh my gosh, it's aromatic. It's herbaceous because I have all those herbs in here. I have the butter, the white wine. Like, when I tell you all those flavors come through so nicely, my mom's about to be on fire with this big piece of Scotch bonnet on her. It's a little smaller. And I add some onions. I'm hot. I'm tired. I gotta go to Lowe's soon. Because as you saw, I added a little clip in there. The electricity went out. I had to pause my cooking for a few hours. Something told me something's gonna happen today. And that's why I didn't go live. My friend said, don't go live, your video's gonna get interrupted. And that would have been worse than me recording, because I can always pause the video and get back to it. Alright? Here's my shrimp with my onion and my Scotch bonnet. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lemon juice over there. Take the seed off because nobody wants the seed. Disrespectful. Okay, ready? Oh my goodness. I've been missing a seafood boil. And this is not disappointing me one bit. I have mushrooms in here. I love me a mushroom. I love mushrooms. They're so good, so earthy. Broccoli. That sauce. The onions. This is a loaded, huge seafood bowl. I think it's my favorite seafood boil. Other than a curry seafood boil, Jamaican curry seafood boil, I think it's my favorite. Umami. I have sausage here. I added that umami mushroom seasoning that I bought. Listen here. All right, let's build us a nice, cute little bite. That's too big. All right, then we're gonna get to the first place winner, because I know y'all like, who's the first place winner? Be patient. Have a little patience. Oh gosh, it's gonna be so good. Okay. I want to eat my crab. I want to devour my crab in peace while I watch Blind Spot with the family. Oh, I think I started telling y'all we gotta go to Lowe's for a generator. A backup generator. Ooh. Can I get this? Let's see. My. Now we're gonna do some Italian garlic bread with some pepper, some shrimp. Okay. I cannot wait to devour this. So good. Recipe will be down in the description box below. All right, now let's choose first place winner. Remember, third place, Jadia. Jadia, down in the comment section. Second place winner is Chantel Jane. Chantel Jane, down in the comment section below. Fire sign, fire sign. All right, now let's do the last one. Shake, shake, shake. And I think when we reach our next milestone, which is 2,000 subscribers, I'll do another giveaway. And the giveaways will become more and more, the rewards will get bigger with the giveaways as our channel continues to grow. But the next one's going to be $50 again. And then as the channel grows and grows and grows, we'll continue to do these giveaways and the rewards will be bigger. And also the feast will be more and more and more spectacular as well as we level up. Because food is expensive, okay? All right. So thank you all for your support. We appreciate every single one of you because trust and believe you cannot do YouTube alone. You cannot. Thank you to every single one of you. This is why we're doing this giveaway, to say thank you. It's our very first giveaway. And again, thank you to Alham for sponsoring this giveaway. All right. First place winner is Charlotte Good. Woo! Charlotte Good, first place winner. Charlotte Good, down in the comment section below. So I'm just happy that I'm able to give back. Okay, it's so important that when you receive, you also give back. To have that balance, that give and take, receive and give is so important. And I told you guys this in another video. I'm learning to receive as much as I give out. All right, I'm going to get back. All right, into this because, and by the way, I'll leave Jadia Griffin. I'll leave a link down in the description box because she's a content creator. She does mukbangs, but she's also an awesome cook. Has a great personality, very hilarious. Listen, and it's gorgeous. I will leave her link down in the description box. Support her channel. Let's get her to 1,000 subscribers. Let's go. All continue to lift each other up, especially during these crazy times. I pray that you all have been safe. I know that there's been a lot of natural disasters going on in the world. So I'm praying for safety. Wow. Again, thank you all for tuning in. Trust and believe you will not be disappointed with this seafood bowl. Follow that recipe and add whatever other flavors you like. But you gotta do this Italian white wine and herb seafood bowl. It's absolutely delicious. Thank you all for tuning in. God bless and peace. Ooh, I'm gonna destroy this. Yes, I am. Destruction.